Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now, I know I haven't been posting Kotoko content, and today I want to talk about it because I'm not around. That's why I haven't been posting. I'm currently in Cameroon covering the Africa Cup of Nations. Most of you that know, I cover the Black Stars and also cover the biggest club in Ghana, Asante Kotoko. So I think that's understandable that I haven't been posted lots of content in the past few days. So I'm talking about, today I want to talk about Razak Abalora's move to Moldovan club Tiralspor, Sheriff Tiralspor, and I think it's going to be one of the biggest moves in the Ghana Premier League because it's unheard of that a Ghana Premier League club, that's a goalkeeper, moved to Europe for a transfer. I think it's a very huge deal considering the amount involved. We got him for free and we're selling for about $300,000. That's a huge amount of money for a goalkeeper from the Ghana Premier League. So I'm very excited for this deal. I'm hoping that everything gets sorted out soon. I heard the player will be traveling very soon to sign a 3-year contract. Personal terms have already been agreed, and Razak Abalora will be traveling to complete a move to a club that played in the Champions League this season. Was it last season? This season, yes, they played Champions League and made history when they beat Real Madrid in their first game in the Champions League. So I'm thinking that Razak Abalora going there will also motivate other goalkeepers in the Ghana Premier League to perform well and get that kind of move outside the country to big clubs, to top European clubs. I know we all know that Razak Abalora is the best goalkeeper in Ghana. We don't know what any other person is talking about, but I think Razak Abalora, to me, is the best goalkeeper in Ghana. So I'm very excited to see him leave Asante Kotoko and go to a very big European club. Now, talking about replacement, Danlad Ibrahim is one of the best goalkeepers in the Ghana Premier League too. I think he hasn't renewed his contract because he's still uncertain if Kotoko will, give him a new contract and if his future actually lies there. But I think if Razak Abalora leaves, it definitely means that Danlad Ibrahim will be signing a new contract, and him and Kwame Ba will be at the post. And Kotoko are likely to sign another goalkeeper next month as Razak Abalora is leaving. So I'm hoping that Danlad Ibrahim signs a new contract. The last time I talked to him, he said that he doesn't want to, comment on issues like this because negotiations are obviously ongoing, and Razak Abalora has, Danlad Ibrahim chose not to disclose any information about the outcome of the negotiations. But I'm sure that once Razak Abalora leaves the Ghana Premier League to go for this huge move, he's going to renew his contract. So I'm excited to see that happen. I would like to know your thoughts. I'm hoping that Kotoko will be beating Berekom this weekend. I'll be maybe post a preview of that game very soon, and also a review, and obviously the highlights. That's if I have a good network to post it. So hopefully everything goes as planned, and I miss you guys. I can't wait to come back to posting more frequent videos on the channel. So I would like to know your thoughts on Razak Abalora's move to European club. Tell me what you think, and click notification bell if you haven't. Let me show you a small view of the stadium right here. I'm in Yaoundé covering the Black Stars. This is the view of the stadium. You can see everywhere. This is what it looks like right here. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.